What's up guys? As you can see, I have a little bit of a problem with my Miata. It started smoking real bad. I took it apart here, pretty much took off everything, and yeah, the problem, I'm 90% sure that it is from the valve stem seals. I will do a compression test later, but yeah, I will show you. In the cylinder number 2 there's oil at the exhaust valves. In the rest, not really, but yeah, the motor runs very good, so I don't think it's from the piston rings. But yeah, we will do a compression test and make sure. But yeah, the head will have to come off the motor, that's for sure. Here, as you can see, the first one is pretty clear, and here it's full of oil, and the rest is pretty good also. So yeah, it's not looking the best. I'm also going to do some upgrades. As I'm taking off the head, I will add some stiffer springs, so I can give it a little bit higher red line. So yeah, we have a lot to do, but yeah, let's do a compression test and we will go from there. Okay, so first cylinder has 120, not so much, but the engine is cold, so I would say it's all right. Second cylinder also right there as well, so that's pretty good. Third one, sorry, also a little bit lower, but still I would say it's okay. And the fourth one 120, so I would say the motor is healthy. I just need to change the seals, so yeah. Okay, just got the head removed. I already cleaned the pistons a little. That's why they look like this. They were more black, but yeah, they don't look bad at all. Don't have any play, and the bores look pretty good. So yeah, I don't think it's consuming a lot of oil from here. Here's the cylinder head, the cams, and I already took out the shims and the buckets. Yeah, it's everything okay up here. The valves underneath, you can't really see from here, but they are dirty, and this side too is pretty dirty, pretty oily. Yeah, I think all those came from the valves. So, but yeah, need to remove the springs, the valves, clean them, replace them, and yeah, these all look okay. Don't there's no wear on them really. So yeah. So guys, I'm back. I talked with a lot of mechanics, and yeah, I'm pretty sure the ring is stuck in the second cylinder, the oil ring, and that's why it consuming oil. So yeah, I just pulled the motor out. It came out pretty easy. We didn't had to do much. We just lifted out from the car without any lift, just two guys with hands. So yeah, pretty easy. Okay, so far I got the oil pan off. This part was stuck on the oil pan, so had to pry it from the sides. Doesn't want it to come off, but yeah, it's off. Pretty clean. This one is pretty dirty, but yeah, I will now remove the pickup tube and yeah, see how everything goes. So yeah, got them off. Everything looks okay in here. It's just really dirty, so yeah, maybe the previous owner skipped some oil changes, as I can see. Okay, let's see. Yeah, they are pretty tight, as they should. Okay, that's one. Looking just like new. Pretty nice actually, as you can see. No scratches, no nothing. Yeah, it's a healthy engine. I don't know why the ring got stuck, the oil ring. And here it is. Oil ring are actually stuck in this one as well, the fourth one. The other two rings are moving freely, and the oil ring is actually stuck. So that's a problem as well. It's not moving at all. But the sides are pretty good here as well. No scraping and anything. So yeah, this one is also in perfect shape, as you can see. Also in good condition. Top two rings are fine, and here as well, stuck the oil ring. Yeah, it's not moving at all. Well, it's interesting that it's stuck in all of them. But yeah, sides are looking good. So yeah. I will wash them a little bit and yeah, see what I can see on them, scoring or anything. Currently taking out the rings, and yeah, they were completely stuck. You can see there's a little carbon buildup, but on the rings as well there's a lot more of buildup, and that doesn't come off. So yeah. Okay, so I started removing the valves. Here's the first one I took out with this hammer method. Yeah, it came out pretty easy. I will do the rest of them, clean them, and yeah, then I will take the block and the head to the machine shop. So yeah, let's remove all of them. They don't have any play, so the valve guides are good, and they aren't scratched or anything. They all look pretty good, except for this part. Okay, the exhaust side is done. And this is the last one. And from here everything looks pretty good. There is not a lot of carbon build up here, so that's good. I will lap them in once I get it back from the machine shop. I marked these up, so there's no way I can mix them until I clean them. Here is my oil pump. It's not scratched at all, as I can see, so it's looking pretty good. Yeah, everything looks perfect. So this one is good. Took out the crankshaft as well, took out the water pump, all the accessories on it. Yeah, here also all the bearings look fine. So guys, here is my block, completely stripped down and ready for the machine shop. Took out everything that it had. So yeah, I think this is it for this video. I will continue when my parts arrive and I can start assembling my motor. And yeah, thank you guys for watching and stay tuned. Bye.